How to make sliding nuts. I have here a teardrop black onyx bead. Yeah. It's a gemstone and a thread. I have a cotton braiding cord. It's just like this cotton braiding cord, and this is 30 inches 30 inches or 76 centimeter 76 centimeter. So I decided to take out from the box excuse me, take out from the box and all my beads, dahil I'm selling in Mercari. Okay, so there, just put it there. Ituhog mo lang dyan sa butas. Ayan. A necklace. So how to make sliding knots? It's very easy. See, you just go like that. Ayan. So dyan, see, this is small, the shorter one, iikot mo lang dyan, ikot, one, another one, yan, and then this one, the shorter, put it inside the two round that I make there. Oh sure, okay. Sorry, I cannot see. There you go, and then pull it. That's the first knot, and the second knot, towards me, the shorter is towards me, and you will put it round outside, one small circle, and then the next one, the second circle, so you will put it inside, ayan, so yan, sliding knots. So I will put it. To make it shorter, hold on, let's put this up. There's my necklace. Where's the two? See? I cannot. Okay, I cannot find. There you go. Okay. To make it shorter, just pull this. There you go. If you want more shorter, pull it more. I cannot see. Anyway, this is fine like that. See. If you want to cut this, you can cut it and just put a little bit there, shorter. You can cut this. Yan. This is the sliding nuts. So there's another one, because this one I just put it in the hole. So I have here mosaic cross and the thread. I have a thread. This is also 30 inches or 76 centimeter. Let's put this down again. Okay. Because I don't want to put it inside the hole, I will make it like, I will make this different style. Yeah, I will put it inside the hole too, but this time ayan, yung cross. Ito, there's a hole. I will put it there. See. Ayan. And then, you will make sliding knots again. Ganyan mo lang siya. So, the first short is towards me. And I will put it round. 1. And then another 1. 2. And then you will put it inside. Ayan. I have already 1 knot. And I will do another one over here. The shorter one towards me. And I will put it round. Ikot mo lang siya. 1. And then another one. And then put it inside. And there. You got 2 knots. Sliding. Long. And to make it short. So let's put it again. Let's put it. Let's see how it will look like. Wait. See, long. And if you want it short. So I hope you like my tutorial on how to make necklace with sliding knots. Yan. Thank you for watching.